This bottom bit of wood here on the garage door has rotted a bit and broken and given way, and that has led to the spring giving way with this metal bit bending out of the bottom here. Nowhere now to attach the bracket. So I need to replace this, but first I need to shift all of this timber here. So I might as well build the things I was thinking about building with all this timber so that I don't have to shift it twice. So that's what I'm going to do. Oh, wait on. Better. New blade day is always a good day for a saw. People have asked me about my opinions on blades and asked me to do a video, and maybe this is the beginning of it. First up, I'm going to cut these boards into 280mm long lengths. We'll start with, say, 100 of them. Remember, when you're buying timber, there can be a bit of variation. These are from the same batch and are supposed to be the same length, but as you can see, one bundle has been cut quite a bit shorter than the other. No biggie for what I'm doing, but just take that into account whenever you're building anything. Well, there's my first 100. They're 280mm long and 42mm wide and 12mm thick, although some of the ones in this pile must have been a bit thinner. I think there must have been some 10mm ones in there somewhere. Anyway, looking at that pile, I am way short of what I need. I think I need to do, let's do another 300. Next level! 200. That's 300, 100 more to go, and then I think we'll change it up a bit. Next level. There we have it, 400 of them. That was the easy bit. Before I make my next part, I'm going to get rid of some of these. By get rid of, I mean put all the holes in them. This could take a while. Next level, 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 level. I have made a simple jig here. It holds 4 pieces at once. Got all the spacings right. It's just clamped in place so that it's in exactly the right place for what I want at the moment, which is centers 40mm back from the end. That'll give a little bit of overlap to give the bird something to chew on. Yeah, so now I've just got 800 holes to drill. See you next year. Right, I think that's about enough. I think it's time to start taking it to the next level. What do you reckon, Pickle? You guys better like this. when I'm finished building this, I will try and work out how much it all cost. You better like this, Pickle. Hey. And blow yourself. What do you reckon? You want to come and play with that? Won't be long. Just gotta stack on all the other bits. They're all cut now. I'll put it together for you. Okay? It is complete. Got an entry hole here at the bottom for when he climbs in the middle, falls down head first, wait for him to get out. And there's also an exit at the top here for when he climbs up from the middle and needs to get out again. Or vice versa on those two things, of course. So it's all made out of untreated pine, and I haven't worked out how much it costs yet. I have just done the maths, and $520 at prevailing Bunnings rates to build one of these. Luckily, I didn't pay anywhere near that much for this material. And that's not counting labour, of course, or what you need to make it. You better like this, Pickle. The tower has been installed. I didn't need to use the wire on the top, I just wedged it underneath the stainless roof support there. What do you reckon, Pickle? You gonna like that? We've taken out his other branches so that hopefully he will want to play with this rather than the fresh branches he normally has. Put some food on the middle there, hopefully to tempt him in. He's bouncing away, dying to get out again. So let's do it. Is he gonna go anywhere near it? Hello. Hello. What's that, Pickle? Big and scary? Is it big and scary? Or is it fun? Look at all that timber for you to chew on. He loves chewing on those bits of pine normally, so that's why I made it out of that. Hopefully they'll keep him going for a few years. Plus we can, of course, put food in it, jam and wedge food and branches between all the slats on there. He has seen that there's food on there by the looks. Go on, Pickle. You try and work out how to land on it, don't you? It's a bit tricky. Yeah, but I know you're clever. I know you can land on all sorts of weird things. Come on. Not too many birds have a 2.25 metre or 7.5 foot tall wooden tower to play with, Pickle. It's massive, mate. It's massive. Huh? How many other parents do you know got daddy who'll make them big toys like that? Huh? You gonna give us a wall? Hello. Go on, go check the tower out. Yeah, you got big wings. Straubs is checking out the new Parrot tower. Pixel hasn't been on that bit yet, Straubs. Pixel has, however, been looking around on the top. As you can see, there's a few places where he has given it a bit of a trim, including inside at the top. We're doing Stribbles. Can we go inside? Climb down the middle? You don't look terribly comfortable. You look a little bit grumpy, don't you? I think I better turn this camera off before you attack me. Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye to everybody. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.